Hey everybody, on behalf of Toolbox Buzz and Concord Carpenter, we want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and safe and happy New Year. As we reflect back on 2023, whether we were reviewing a tool or discussing best practices in the industry or promoting youth in the trades, we're grateful for your support, your kindness, and most importantly, your friendship. So here's a toast to you, our video subscribers, fellow tool reviewers, tool manufacturers, clients, and friends near and far. Here's to America's colors, the colors that never run. May the wings of liberty never lose a feather. May the hinges of friendship never rust, nor our roof fall in on us. Lastly, for my carpenter friends, may you never stop measuring twice, cutting once, and then forcing it to fit. Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy New Year.